Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanking the Almighty. It's an honor to receive this award for most admired and innovative manufacturer of switchgear, motor control gear and electrical goods. Innovation is putting two things that already exist and putting them together in different way or a new way. My team did the same thing amidst the pandemic by developing fully automatic sanitizing tunnels in order to curb the spread of COVID-19 towards our contribution towards social responsibility and innovation, for which we are getting admired. I would like to dedicate this award to the entire team of SJ, all members of SJ family, to our well-wishers and patrons. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my mother for her prayers, my late father for his guidance, my wife back home for massive support, and my brother Syed Imran, the executive director of our company, for his continuous efforts to striving success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.